नमस्ते बिटिया, सदा खुश रहो। Myself, Dr. Hemant Vyas, Associate Professor and Head of Department of Surgery, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. Today, we are going to discuss a new topic, that is deep vein thrombosis. Let's begin. Introduction. Deep vein thrombosis occurs when a blood clot, that is a thrombus, form in one or more of deep veins in body, usually in legs. Deep vein thrombosis can cause leg pain or swelling, but also can occur with no symptoms. Deep vein thrombosis can be very serious because blood clot in vein can break loose, travel through bloodstream and lodge in lungs, blocking blood flow, and it can cause pulmonary embolism. Symptoms. Deep vein thrombosis sign and symptom can include swelling in affected leg. Rarely there is swelling in both legs. Pain in leg. The pain often starts in calf and can feel like cramping or soreness. This pain is also called as claudication pain. Red or discolored skin on the leg. A feeling of warmth in the affected leg. Deep vein thrombosis can occur without noticeable symptoms. The warning signs and symptoms of pulmonary embolism include sudden shortness of breath, chest pain or discomfort that worsen the taking a deep breath or while coughing, feeling lightheaded or dizzy or fainting, rapid pulse, coughing up blood. Causes. The blood clot or deep vein thrombosis can be caused by anything that prevents blood from circulating or clotting normally, such as injury to vein, surgery, certain medications, and limited movement. Risk factor. There are many factors can increase risk of developing deep vein thrombosis, and risk factor include inheriting a blood clotting disorder, prolonged bed rest such as during a long hospital stay or paralysis, injury or surgery, pregnancy, and birth control pills, that is oral contraceptive or hormone replacement therapies. Being overweight or obese, smoking, cancer, heart failure, inflammatory bowel diseases, and a person or personal or family history of deep vein thrombosis or pulmonary embolism. Generally, being older than 60 years, risk have a risk of DVT, that is deep vein thrombosis. Though it can occur at any age, sitting for long period of time, such as when driving or flying. Then complications. Pulmonary embolism. A serious complication associated with deep vein thrombosis is pulmonary embolism. Signs and symptoms of pulmonary embolism include sudden shortness of breath, chest pain, feeling of lightheaded, rapid pulse, and coughing up blood. Then post-phlebitic syndrome, a common complication that can occur after deep vein thrombosis, is known as post-phlebitic syndrome. There is persistent swelling of leg pain, skin discoloration, and skin soreness. Now, how can we prevent the deep vein thrombosis? The measures to prevent deep vein thrombosis include avoid sitting still, make lifestyle changes like lose weight and quit smoking, and exercise. Regular exercises lower risk of blood clot, which is especially important for people who sit a lot or travel frequently. So that's it from today's presentation. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thank you very much.